Hello and welcome to another 4triangles.com product information video. The product you're looking at is called the NES to USB adapter. It allows you to use your old NES controller on your PC via USB. It can be version 1 or version 2, doesn't matter. Just plug it into any old USB hole and that is it. There are no drivers to install with this. Windows XP already has it built in. To start off with, I'm going to tell you right now that you will need to install a driver called Joy to Key in order to have it emulate keystrokes from your keyboard onto the gamepad if you plan on using it with GameTap or virtualnes.com. So I'm going to go ahead and use virtualnes.com as the website to use to show you how the product works and how to set up your Joy to Key driver. So first things first, let's go ahead and get Joy to Key. You're going to go to Google and in the search bar you're going to put in Joy to Key, J-O-Y, number 2, and key, all one word. And then once you do that, the website that comes up should be electrocode.com. Click on that site there and that's where you're going to get your driver from. Get your driver and go ahead and install that. And then you're going to go to Virtual NES. That site is www.virtualnes.com. Within that, go to the frequently asked questions section and it's concerning gameplay. Here is where you're going to assign the keys from the keyboard to the NES gamepad. Without doing this, you won't be able to use it with GameTap or Virtual NES. So what we're going to do here is see how close I can get. Is you're going to assign each one. So when you have the screen open, say for Joy to Key, let me see if I can get that up. As you see, it's got left, right, up, down, button 1, 2, 3, and 4, etc. So what you need to do is assign each one of the keys right here with your Joy to Key manual or box. So what you want to do is what I have here. Your left button is your left arrow, your right button is your right arrow, your up is your up arrow, and down is your down arrow. Button 1, which is your B button, will be the letter Z. Button 2, which is your A button, is X. Button 3, which is your select button, will be Control. And button 4, which is your start button, will be Enter. Once you've gone ahead and configured it as to those controls right there, you'll be able to use it with Virtual NES. Now if you plan on using the controller with GameTap, all you have to do is find out what buttons, let's say fire, your A button is fire, what button that is with GameTap and assign it that letter, that key letter, so that way when you hit A it fires. So if you ever want to use it for any other sites, that's basically the same thing you're going to do, is just find out what key maps it is on your keyboard and assign it the buttons right here with your NES pad through this menu. Alright, now that I've done with that, I'm going to go ahead and show you how it works. So I'm still at virtualnes.com and I'll go ahead and start this game. I'm sure everybody knows this one. So here's the gamepad. I'm going to go ahead and hit start. And there we go. We're all ready to go. B makes them run. A makes them jump. And that's pretty much it. You're all set and ready to rock and roll. This site has pretty much almost every NES game you want. It plays directly right from your web browser. All you need in order to play these games really is your old NES joypad, the NES to USB adapter, and that Joy to Key driver I was mentioning earlier, and you're all set to go. You can find this product and many others at www.4triangles.com. Have a great day.